a simple program in Python to check whether the string is palindrome or not. So as you know, palindrome means you reverse the string. If you get the same string, then it is palindrome. Example, MADAM, madam, Malayalam, and so on. The base concept is you take the original string, reverse the string, compare both. If both the strings are equal, then it is palindrome. A very simple program in Python. Look at line number 2, str is the original string, and line number 4, the string is reversed. Look at that, colon colon minus 1, colon colon minus 1, you get reverse string, which is in REB. So we have two variables, input string is str, reverse string is REB. Simple if condition, if str is equal to REB, if the condition is true, palindrome, otherwise not a palindrome. A very simple program. If you want to compare any two strings in C language, you need to use strcmp, an inbuilt string function strcmp, string compare. But in Python, we can directly compare both the strings using a simple if condition.